Hello guys, welcome to Sub YouTube channel. If this is the first time of watching our channel, please do well to subscribe by clicking the bell on icon, select all so as to receive our news, notification and updates on how to earn online. Okay, today we want to bring to you concerning how to earn via pay2play.co. Okay, that's the name of the platform. Okay, you can cash out instantly. It's a 100% legit cash out $500 today. Share and earn. Okay, we want to give you the full survey concerning this very platform. This is my own dashboard. You've seen 709 USD here in this dashboard, and we want to go to the review. Let's go to the main dashboard. Okay, so that you look at the review. I have requested for withdrawals. Okay, now my balance is 220 USD. Then my total earning is 709 USD. Then now let's go to the review according to them. The review and what people said about them. Okay, there are a lot of video people posted about them, but here is the review about them too. They said they have been paying via crypto, they pay via Wise. I will show you the payment method, but I select crypto and I choose from my trust wallet. That's the format I use. The minimum withdrawal is from uh, $150 of what? That's the minimum withdrawal from crypto. Then others you can be receiving from PayPal. You've seen how people receive 940. This is from their own platform proof that they have received. But total I have requested. You can also double the earning if you want the earning to be scheduled for payments. For payment, okay. You reschedule the payments. You reschedule. If you reschedule the payments, making it times two, they will double your earnings, and that will be double of what you've earned. So, as I requested, mine was about 900 and something USD. So, it's been rescheduled to November 13. Let me show you. Going to the dashboard, and you've seen that the payments have been shifted to November 13. I beg your pardon. And you can also refer and also end. If you click on this payment here, you will see that $978 have been requested to be scheduled for um 13 of November. So this one are order of the survey I did. You see, from this wallet I use Ethereum. I select Ethereum and I don't want to request for payment again. If I click on this cash out again, it will also enter here for another. Let me click and show you. It will also show minus uh okay. This payment too is under review. I've also requested that 220 that was here in my account. Okay, you've seen it say congrats, you've successfully submitted your cash out request. If you click that submit for cash out, they will review if you've completed the task correctly. Okay, let's now go back to payment and see whether it has entered the payment queue. And you see that my balance now is zero. Before it was 220 here, $220 here from my balance. I have requested for another payment, and you've seen I also triple it, double it rather, I beg your pardon concerning that. I double it. You've seen when you click on times two, you've increased it. So as I increase it, it now be $441. So total awaiting payment is $978 and $441 awaiting payments. You see the date I requested for the first payment, that was 16 October Let me zoom it for you to see. 16 October 2023. And today also I've requested for another payment on October 21st 2023. Let me show you when they are saying that they are going to pay. And I'm going to do a follow-up video and to show whether they have paid or not. They say here, congrats, you have passed our review and your payment is approved. You should be receiving it on your scheduled payment dates. Okay, my scheduled payment date for the first payment was 13 November 2023. Okay, I requested for the payment that was 16 October 2023. So the payment scheduled date is November 13, 2023. That was the first payment request. So the second payment request has not passed their review yet. So we go back to the payment. All what we do in survey is to get paid. Okay. Now we move to the second request I just made today. Okay. I made this request few minutes ago. Okay. You see, I doubled it and now become 441. Okay. You see, this has not been approved yet. Okay. This has not been approved yet. Okay, you see this one now is going to be on 18 October, 18 November, I beg your pardon, requested on 21st October to be paid on November 18. So it is this dates from November 13 that will do a follow-up video to see whether to pay or not. Okay, these are reviews. Forget any things about review here can be manipulated. Nothing is hard for one to do. Okay, but let's just keep eye across and follow up on this channel. We'll be updating you if the payment has dropped or not. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Okay, before we go, let's tell you their minimum payouts. I think that is what that is left. The minimum payout is 150 and their payment format, let's go and check. Okay, let's go to account. Okay, you see this is my own personal account. Okay, sorry about that. Let me show you the minimum payout. You choose your own payment formats. I think from 0 to 149.9 is via PayPal and other payment method. From 150 upward, you can use your local bank, your Wise, and coin USDT. All right, don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.